going to create a virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox for Windows Server 2012 R2. We're going to start by clicking on New. We're going to name it. It's going to default to Microsoft Windows, and it's going to pick Windows 2012 64-bit, so that's perfect. We're going to click Next. We're going to change the RAM to 4096 or 4 gig of RAM. We're going to click on Next. It's by default going to pick 50 gig of hard drive space. We could do that, but we can also adjust it if we needed to as well. But Windows has a requirement of at least 32 gigabytes. So we're going to click Create. We are going to accept a VDI VirtualBox image. Again, we're going to accept the defaults. We want it to dynamically assign the hard drive space so that it doesn't take a 50 gigabyte chunk right out of our hard disk. And again, it'll only take it if it needs it. Click on Next. It's going to default to 50 gigabytes, which is fine. If we wanted to make that smaller, we could. But we're going to click on Create. There's our virtual machine. We're going to click Settings and make a few changes. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on System, Processor, give it another processor. Then we're going to click on Storage, and again we have a blank boot drive. So we're going to click on Empty, optical drive right there. We're going to say choose virtual optical disk. This one is going to come into our Windows Server 2012 ISO, but if not, we could have clicked on it to browse, located the folder, double clicked it, chose our ISO, and clicked Open. After we click OK, when we click Start, it's ready to install Windows Server 2012 R2.